Right. Take the next problem. They're given the force given 3t into I cap plus 5j cap acts on a body due to which its position changes. They given as S is equal to 2t square I cap minus 5j cap. Yes, earlier they used to give in terms of x and y. Now they given in terms of time they given. Whenever they given time we have given, so we need to proceed like this. What we need to do here, this work done, which is equal to integral of f bar dot ds. Right. What I can do here, this is small modification will do. This is work done, that is integral of f bar dot. So this is what I am doing now, dividing with dt and multiplying with dt. Divide with dt and multiply with dt. This is what we need to do. If they given the displacement is in terms of time they given, we have to approach this method. Now the displacement we have S is given in terms of t na, so which is given as what? 2t square into I cap minus 5j cap. Now I can find the ds by dt now, differentiate the displacement with the time. Tell me now differentiation. Yes, t square differentiation is what, tell me? 2t. So it will come to be a what, tell me now? 4t I cap, and this is constant now, constant differentiation 0. So that means we got it as ds by dt. How much the ds by dt now here? That is 4t into I cap. So this value will place now here. So that is integral of f value is how much now? 3t into I cap plus 5j cap dot with what, tell me now? ds by dt is what, tell me now? 4t into I cap into dt. Now again dot product na, I only multiplied. So this means what will come here? This is integral of 4 into 3, 12. 12 into t square into dt na. J terms will become 0. J dot j. There is no j term na here. So 0 into 5. Only I with I, j with j, k with k will multiply. So now here the integration is with respect to what you tell me we have. Integration is with respect to what is the term here? T. So integration t. So that's why t limits we should take. And what they given the t limits now? Work done by the force in first to 2 seconds. Means what is given now here? In 2 seconds they given. So the limits are what you tell me now? T is equal to 0 to 2. So we should take it as limits t value 0 to 2. Now integrate, now simply tell me the answer. So then this work done, which is equal to 12 into what, tell me now? T square integration t cube by 3 limits 0 to 2. So we'll come it as what, tell me now? 4. Yes, so which is equal to what, tell me now? 4t cube. Limits are 0 to 2. Substitute the limits now. That is 4 into what, tell me now? 2 cube minus 0. Yeah, 2 cube means how much now? 8 now. 8 into 4. 32 joules.